Hello and welcome to KSG India News Bulletin. Here are some important news updates. Cooperative Bank under RBI's supervision. The passage of the bill to amend the Banking Regulation Act will enhance the Reserve Bank of India's power to supervise cooperative bank to protect the interests of depositors and strengthen banking entities. The government introduced the bill in Lok Sabha, replacing the ordinance promulgated on June 26, 2020. In the current monsoon session, the lower house of parliament, Lok Sabha, passed the bill on 16 September 2020 and it will become a law after the president signs it and it is notified. Landmark 75th session of UNGA. The landmark 75th session of the United Nations General Assembly has commenced devastating coronavirus pandemic, with the world leaders set to meet virtually for the first time in the UN 75-year history for the annual high-level session as they confront some of the most serious threats facing humanity. Turkish diplomat Volkan Bozkır assumed charge as the president. ITRA Bill 2020 passed. The Rajya Sabha on 16 September 2020 passed the Institute of Teaching and Research in Ayurveda Bill 2020, paving way to establish a state-of-the-art Ayurvedic institution which will be called the Institute of Teaching and Research in Ayurveda, that means ITRA, at Jamnagar, Gujarat. The ITRA will be formed by merging the existing Ayurveda institutes and will be conferred with the status of an institution of national importance. ETC report. ETC, the Energy Transition Commission, has estimated that the required additional investment for achieving net zero carbon economy by year 2050, while significant in absolute dollar terms, will amount to no more than 1 to 1.5% of global GDP, that is 1 to $2 trillion annually, and is easily affordable given current global savings and investments, particularly in the prevailing macroeconomic context of sustained low interest rates. These were some important news headlines. For more details, please log on to ksgindia.com. On our website, you will get organized daily updates in concise and exam-oriented way, informative editorial of the day focusing on current issues, and fortnightly gist of the important news. Thank you. Stay tuned to ksgindia.com.